Yo, welcome back, Factory Fam. It is day 7 on the FFRS bumper. We're coming along, man. Everything's all set up. So basically, I think the plan is I'm gonna start sanding all this green stuff that you guys see. That's the fiber Duraglass. Duraglass. It's basically the Bondo with fiberglass fibers in it, basically, right?
Exactly.
I mean, easy explanation.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
All right, so I'm gonna do that. What are you gonna start working on, bro?
I'm gonna start working on getting these little wing pieces tipped in. So I'm gonna build like a little skeleton out of some mixing sticks, and I'm gonna shave it down. I'm gonna use like some hot glue or some kind of a little sticky epoxy to kind of stick it in place. Once I get it exactly the way it needs to be shaped and dyed off where it's supposed to go, I'll start wrapping it in fiberglass, and then I'll build it from there. So this should be a nice, easy transition from body line to body line. We'll be good to go.
Bang. There you guys have it. That's the plan for today. As always, we'll see what time permits, but hopefully we can keep cracking on this thing, man. We're rolling, and after we're done with this, it's on to exhaust and then the rest of the build. So stay tuned. That's what's coming at you today. How smooth are we looking for on here, bro? Like, cause I know this is deeper, but it's rough in there. Or what? You know what I mean?
No, that's fine.
Cause I mean, we're still not looking for our like perfectly symmetrical finish off this green, right?
No,
that's what you're looking for off the next stuff, right? Yep. Okay. So those will fill in.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So I don't need to get those.
No.
Okay.
No, these are looking pretty good.
Yeah. Okay. Should I just use that by hand, or should I go to the other one?
You can keep using the Gia. That's the fine grit paper, so you can actually use that if you want, and you can go over all the white too.
Oh, with this?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Alright guys, so I pretty much got it sanded up. Zach went ahead and basically cut up these guides for our body lines. He's got those setting up, and so while that's going, he's over here mixing some of that icing.
Some good shit.
I'm gonna start filling some stuff in there. Check out what's going on. Ooh, look how smooth and pretty that looks. So Zach was saying, this is the stuff where you get those crispy, perfect body lines. Not any of the other stuff.
No, I like this stuff right here.
Ooh, smells, boy. That stuff is pungent. That's how you know it's working. Look at that though, guys. It's like, can't even see that like on the camera. It's so nice and glossy. Glossy. Looks so nice. Y'all, we're starting to look like a one-piece bumper here. Oh my gosh. It's so sweet. And real talk, I'm gonna speak some truth into you guys right now. Don't let people tell you you can't do something. Just keep looking for somebody that says, yeah, I think we can do that. And then freaking do it. Because it'll be worth it in the long run, man. But I'm telling you, there are a lot of doubters out there. Lots and lots of negative people. Don't listen to those people, man. Those are people that don't care about you. Those are people that don't understand what your aspirations are, what your passions are. Those people don't care, man. For real. Don't pay them no mind, man.
Just keep up and do you.
That's right. Do you. That is exactly right. So what's like the structural integrity of this stuff?
This stuff, it is pretty strong, but it doesn't like to flex.
Okay.
That's why we don't want to put like a whole bunch of it in a thick area.
Yeah.
It does flex up to a certain point. It will stop flexing eventually.
Okay.
Then it'll crack.
Okay.
But with how much of the Duraglass we put on first,
yeah,
we're not going to see any flex out of this stuff.
Okay.
This is our first layer. This just gives us a good guide point to where we're going to take it from here.
Gotcha. Just to try to start feathering away that hard line, right? That's the idea?
Exactly.
Gotcha.
I did get it all over my fingers. Because
Gloves,
I wasn't
man.
wearing gloves.
Gloves, man! Y'all, I'm telling you, I tell this cat multiple times a day. Gloves. I got a big giant 200 box of gloves over there, man. I was like, literally, put one on, do something, throw it away, put another one on. I don't even care. That's why I bought the jumbo box. And this guy, what do you look at, man? Let me see him. Look at that. That's what, dude. Dude never got no gloves on, man. Something else, bro.
About 20 minutes, that shit'll be as hard as a rock.
Seriously?
Oh, yeah.
That's it, huh? Sick, bro. Yeah, gosh, man. Yeah, dude, like, really, even looking from the side, man, you obviously see, like, the bump out around the plate, but since we chopped that off, like, it looks natural, bro.
Yep.
Like, and then, I mean, you're starting to not see this.
Oh, yeah.
But that's, I mean, that's kind of what we're on now, right? Is,
Yep.
like, feathering that out. But, man, dude, we're doing it, bro. Alright guys, so Zach cut this piece of wood in here. I'm going to try to show you as good as I can with the autofocus here. Okay, but the wood is in here. So this is our the last kind of gap we have to fill with our Mustang bumper into our flex bumper. So the idea here is we're gonna bridge fiberglass to try to make this even with this, so there's not this gap, and then this side will taper off into the flex bumper. So that's kind of our plan. We're gonna see how she goes, but hey man, you can see how our plans have turned out so far. Giggity! Friggin' looks awesome, man. I'm super psyched. So yeah, man, we'll keep it pushing.
Yeah,
that's how we do.
Turning out just the way we want so far.
Zach got the big thick stuff.
Yeah.
Got that big thicky thick. That thicky thick fiberglass out, man.
That's how we do.
Zach ain't playing on that thicky thick fiberglass. Freaking Iggy. Oh yeah, it looks dope though.
Yeah.
Like just setting it on there even.
This is marine grade stuff.
That's what you said. This is that big boy.
Yeah.
That big boy-ish. Will it stick to that though? Being so thick?
What's that?
Or is it gonna want to pop up like crazy?
Oh no, this shit.
Oh no, it's gonna get on there.
So I'm gonna saturate this pretty much so much you're gonna be able to damn near see through it.
Oh okay.
Yeah. So,
before you put it on.
Yeah, before
okay.
I put it on. So
Gloves.
Yes, I will wear gloves.
Gloves. All right, guys. So right now, Zach is actually pre-wetting the fiberglass pieces with the resin because this is the super thick, like marine grade fiberglass. It's super thick. So if we try to like flop it on there and like resin it while it's on there, it would just slide all around. It'd be really hard to saturate. So he went ahead and saturated it before he's applying it to the bumper spots, and then he can get more accurate with exactly where we're placing it. But it already looks way better than like just the regular fiberglass. Has a really hard time sticking down because this stuff is so thick, and he pre-applied the resin to it. It's really sticking where he's wanted it to. So that's awesome. It's good times. I know he just laid that on there. That looks really good though, bro. Like, kind of the shape of it, like just, you know. You want me to be done over here, bro?
Just maybe where I'm just putting that shit in there. I just figured I've got it. Might as well not waste it.
Yeah, for sure. There's not, I think it's pretty close. Hey, but first, before we go, let's recap. So we basically got into bodywork today. We got a little farther than we thought we were gonna. Zach actually laid the fiberglass. We're gonna do a little more. I'm totally blanking right now.
Duraglass.
I'm always blanking on the Duraglass.
Yeah, so we'll end up building that up a little bit with some Duraglass, but first, because this is only one layer of fiberglass over here, I want a little bit more strength out of it. I'll put one more layer over each side just to get a little bit of added extra in there. Once I get that shape down and exactly the way I want, then we will stick some Duraglass in there and we'll start shaping it for a rough cut. When that's the way it is, we'll lay some more icing just like we did up in here and make it nice and smooth like it was never there.
That's where we're at, you guys. So, Zach always does it before, he explains it way better than I can. Honestly, that's why he's the body man and I'm not, man, but I'm really excited though. It's looking really good. It's really looking like a one-piece bumper. I know I say that literally every episode, but every episode it does look more and more like a one-piece bumper, which is super exciting. I talked to tons of body shops, didn't want any kind of part of this. And then I came and talked to Zach, and Zach was like, "What'd you say, Zach?
Let's do it.
Let's freaking do it, man." So here we are. We're doing it. And what's cool about this project is Zach's actually getting ready to move. So this is one thing we get to do together before he bounces out and moves out of state, and this is starting off the build. So next episode, we will probably be doing more body work, getting this thing looking better. Tune in next time. Get ready for that. Stay positive. Keep love in the car community. Keep growing it, man. Stop being a hater. Y'all have a good night. See you next time. Peace.